Hello, how are you? Data modeling analysis. Data modeling is a structured approach to organizing and representing data in a way that supports business processes, analytics, and decision making. In today's data-driven environment, organizations generate massive amounts of structured and unstructured data from multiple sources like cloud systems, IoT devices, and business applications. Modern data modeling ensures this data is consistent, integrated, and usable across platforms. The process typically begins with a conceptual model, where key business entities and their relationships are identified. It then progresses to a logical model, which defines attributes, primary keys, and foreign keys. Finally, a physical model is created, optimized for implementation in a database system. Tools like diagrams, UML, and modern cloud-based modeling solutions make this process more efficient. One of the latest trends in data modeling is the shift toward NoSQL and schema-less designs, which allow flexibility in handling unstructured or semi-structured data. Additionally, AI-powered modeling tools can now